Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about different investment plans that can give you regular monthly income without taking too much risks. Friends, I've often faced this question that the investment that we are making right now will give returns in the next 10, 15 years and it's going to be in bulk. But how can we make regular income from these investments right away? Well, this is a very good question. So let me talk to you about 4 sources that can generate a monthly income with minimal to zero risks. The first investment option is Post Office Monthly Income Scheme, also known as POMIS. The scheme falls under the purview of Finance Ministry, which makes it highly reliable and less risky. Currently, the interest rate offered on POMIS is around 7.1% and the minimum lock-in period is 5 years. You can start with a nominal amount of rupees 1,000 and a max of rupees 4.5 lakhs in a single account and earn monthly income in the form of interest. The second option that can fetch you high returns is not generally an option, but it's a new feature from mutual funds. It's called systematic withdrawal plans. Now, this is a feature that is offered by mutual funds that allows you to invest a lump sum amount at a predetermined rate and also withdraw at the rate that you're comfortable with. You can withdraw regularly while staying invested. Through SWPs, you can expect assured returns with moderate to high risk, but this is an excellent choice for those seeking a steady income or open to accepting fluctuating returns. Now, we move on to the third option, which is guaranteed income insurance plan. A guaranteed income insurance plan offers you exactly what you need, which is financial security. This is an excellent option for those seeking minimal to zero risks, monthly periodic payouts for a steady supplemental source of income, life coverage, and a death benefit to secure families' financial future, and of course, lastly, the tax benefit. Here, the minimum age of entry is around 18 years and the max age of entry is about 60 years. But there are some changes. You may want to individually look at insurance plan before deciding on it. The next investment option is very suitable for senior citizen. The option generating steady income is called Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana, PMVVY. This is an insurance plan cum pension plan by LIC that offers you financial securities, especially to senior citizens, with an interest rate of around 8%. The scheme has a policy term of 10 years, depending on the payment mode chosen by the investor. The annuity is paid on monthly, quarterly, half-yearly or annual basis after the policy term is over. The risk quotient for this investment is literally zero, which makes it very, very favorable for senior citizens. Besides these investment options, we also have other recommendations like stock dividend investing and real estate investment trust that can fetch high returns but come with high risks. Do you have any other fixed income plan that you recommend to your friends? Let me know about those schemes in the comment section. Till then, stay subscribed, keep watching for more. Happy investing.